In this video, we'll be discussing Chapter 13, Section 13.3, Tax Liability Payments and Tax Reports. As you can see in the list here, we have different forms that we'll be looking at. Form 8109, EFTPS, Form W2, 3, 941, and 940. At the end of this, you'll be able to understand each of these different forms. So, business makes one payment combining all that Social Security, all that Medicare, and all of the employee's federal income tax that has been withheld is paid by the employer. Now, depending on the size of the employer will determine when they pay this. If it's a small business, it's paid maybe once a month. If it's a large business, it could be twice. It could be every 2 months. It kind of just depends on the structure. If it's a seasonal corporation, it could be quarterly. So it really depends on the structure of the business. So what we see then is that Social Security, Medicare, and the federal income taxes are all paid at the same time. The form they use for that is called 8019. And as you can see here, it gives some indicators of what it's for. So if you look at 941, that's highlighted there, it's referring to FICA taxes. In addition to that, you have the quarter. It's explaining what quarter for this tax period as well. So this is the simplified form that small business owners use to file their taxes, and with this tax form, they send in a check as well. But a lot of this is done electronically. A little more insight about the form itself. The EFTPS, this is designed for larger businesses. There's no possible way that large corporations with hundreds of thousands of employees could do this form that we just saw here, the 8109. So they have a different system in order to do this. So let's look at a few scenarios. Businesses pay FICA and federal income with the regular intervals, meaning intervals is more of a routine of when they pay it. So in this scenario here, it has Zip Corporation paying $922.01 on July 15th, and then it breaks it down. What is that dollar amount coming from? Well, it's coming from Social Security, federal income tax, Medicare, and then if you also notice in the general journal, it has the money finally coming out of cash and bank. So up to this time, until this is paid in the month or every other month or quarterly, this will determine what happens.